Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will write a story on greed is curse. One day, a hungry dog stole a piece of meat. He wanted to go to a safe place to eat it. On this way, he reached the bridge of stream. Crossing the bridge, he looked into the clear water flowing under the bridge. He thought that there was another dog with a piece of meat. He wanted to snatch that piece. He opened his mouth to bark. But in doing so, his own piece of meat fell into the stream. Moral of story: greed is curse. Do not be greedy.